Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kale salad dressing, updated. Massage the kale with oil and salt to soften the leaves and reduce bitterness. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, and a pinch of salt until emulsified. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness to your preference. Toss the warm dressing with kale right away so it soaks in and becomes tender and flavorful for serving. Try simple swaps to change the profile without extra work. Swap lemon for apple cider vinegar or add 1 tablespoon soy sauce for umami. Stir in herbs like parsley, cilantro, or basil, depending on what you have. Add roasted nuts or seeds for crunch and texture contrast. For a spicy kick, include a pinch of red pepper flakes or a drizzle of hot sauce to finish and brighten the salad. Texture makes or breaks a kale salad, so focus on technique. Tear leaves into bite-sized pieces and massage with oil and salt until the kale softens and darkens. Toast nuts and seeds in a dry pan for a minute to lift their aroma. Dress the salad while still slightly warm so the leaves absorb flavors faster. Finish with a sprinkle of coarse salt and grated cheese to balance tastes and textures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.